We are making our way to the meetup location for the Jade Jamboree Vermont, and I think we just met one of the first people to come out here.
How are you?
Nice to meet you, Jake.
Good. I didn't know if I was gonna make it up, so I came up today to see if I'd be able. Yeah, I got a brand new Jeep, so.
Oh man, well congrats and welcome.
Yeah, I came from New York. It's.
Oh, well great to have you here, man, and you made it.
Yeah.
Awesome, it was great to meet you, man. Joe's gonna meet us up there. We're gonna go set up camp. Happy freaking Saturday, everybody. Welcome to the Jade Jamboree Vermont. I need to introduce you guys to some people. So last night about 1 a.m., these guys came all the way from Quebec. That was like 7 hours to get here.
Well, it was supposed to be about 3 hours and 45 minutes, but in the middle of the night, yeah, about 7.
All the way from Canada, that's so cool. And Mason here drove all the way from Maryland. You got here at like 2:30 a.m.?
Yeah, I got here at 2:30, but I was driving around for like an hour. I could not find this place. I was going up like driveways.
So the whole point of giving you guys coordinates and having these kind of crazy locations is to get you out to adventure and things like that, so people are getting lost, but you know what, it's an adventure. So we're gonna start filling up the cave here. So it's gonna be full of rigs in no time. Frank's here. Well, look what the cat dragged in.
Hey,
it's Jim and Frank. What's up, guys?
Good.
Good to see you.
Hey, we got some chili.
Oh, there you go. Chili for the food drive. Yeah, I'm not very good at signatures, especially signing t-shirts. Check it out. Yeah, that's, I mean, hey, whatever.
Nice to see you, man.
Glad you can make it.
What's up, sweetie? How you doing?
It's Matt. Good to see ya.
Found it all right?
Found it, and man, this place is awesome.
Yeah, it's cool.
Matt is the one who ended up giving me the coordinates to this place, and I think it's a perfect spot for us all to meet up.
Awesome.
And I mean, what a cool, I mean, right in the old quarry.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Really cool. So this guy, oh, a huge thanks to. We're gonna try to get as many Jeeps in the cave as we can. There's this trail here that he's taking through. Brings it right into the cave. We're gonna pile all the Jeeps in here. So all the way from Belgium, these guys are on a road trip. They're heading to New York, and they were able to fit in the Jamboree into their schedule. So I can't believe you guys are able to come, and it's awesome meeting you guys.
At the end of the week, we'd like to be at Acadia National Park.
Katie up in Maine, you guys are gonna love that, yeah.
Definitely.
People from all over the place. It's great. This looks like Annie's bigger twin. Wow. It's all right, Anders. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Border Collie?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, purebred.
Purebred Border Collie.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's what they really look like. So
Yeah.
Annie really does look similar.
Yeah.
Just a little bit smaller. Oh, they're playing already. There you go. Glad you can make it, man.
Brought the friend this time.
Oh, awesome. Good to meet you.
How you doing?
We have the very first motorcycle out of 9 states. This is awesome.
I can't believe nobody else came on a bike.
Right? So this is what, BMW 1200 you were saying? It's a whole nother type of traveling, and Ben's really interested in getting into it, so I'm sure Ben's gonna be picking your brain. We got Ken and his son Landon. They just came in from Albany, New York. Really glad to have you guys out here. You gonna be hitting the trails with us today?
I don't know. I got a stock.
Well, we're gonna make sure that stock vehicles can do any of the trails.
Oh,
this cool guy here is actually going to be helping to guide it, so he's really familiar with the areas.
Awesome.
Yeah, we'll make sure you can get through. Dave is part of the Southern Off-Road Jeep Club Association, and he's going to help lead the trail. He's pretty familiar with the area here, so glad to have you out here and really appreciate you helping us out today.
Kinda neat to be involved.
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of familiar faces. I'm loving this. So
I'm loving it too, man.
great to have you out.
Excellent.
It's nice to meet you. Is Susan?
Susan,
Yes,
Okay,
Susan.
cool. Awesome. Well,
Nice to meet you. I am Jake.
yeah. You're a pretty pup, aren't ya? Yeah.
Tries.
I swear I try to take the group photo around 11:30, but I think it's already 11:45. Time to take the group photo. I think we got 37 vehicles total out here, including a bike, which is really cool. First time, yeah. So, caves, great people, great weather. Fall is here, I love it. So, Time to take group photo. Man, look at all that food. That's great. How's it going in your Ben?
It's going good.
Holding down the fort?
Per use, yeah.
Nathan drove in with his Mazda, so hey, even if you don't have a Jeep, I'd love to meet you guys, come out here. So you end up having to walk in a lot of the trail, but I'm glad you came.
Yeah.
And it's good to meet you, man.
Yeah, happy to be here.
You all know the rules. Keep the guy in your mirror. If you don't see him, stop, wait for everybody to catch up. There's 2 little spots that stock rig may need somebody to spot them through, but it's doable. I have a stock Rubicon that's 15 years old with 200,000 miles on it.
The chili, the most important part.
Oh yeah! There you go! Nice! Put the spare on? Yeah. Okay. Basically just got all the vehicles out of the cave and someone had a flat, so they're throwing the spare on. I don't know what happened. The last Jade Jamboree, we ended the trail with some mishaps. This one, we're starting it, so just got a quick change of tire.
We just
and we're
started a
back
quarter
on.
of a mile.
Yeah, just a quarter mile down the road. That's all set?
Yeah, they're putting the other tire back on.
Okay. All right. Quick. I guess we're moving. Yeah, keeping her moving. Spare tires on. Back in the Jeeps. Not even 5 minutes down the road, we have a second flat. Someone in back this time. You had the first one? Oh man.
I was in Lance's Jeep and we start hearing boom, 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 boom. Look out, it's off the beat and everything, but he got a spare tire. We had a guy in front of us with an impact. Change that out. 7 minutes.
Like pit crew.
7 minutes left.
Jason was hoping we could get the YJ out this time. Tried to get it out to the last Jamboree. He tried the crank position sensor.
Yep.
It didn't work though.
Yeah.
Man, we got to get it out to one of the Jamborees.
Yeah.
You got a flat, Seth?
That's what I was thinking, but it might be alright. It's a lower pressure than I thought it would.
Yeah, just monitor it. But you got air compressor, so
Yeah, I got everything. So.
Cool, cool. Let's try this again. 3rd time's a charm. It's good seeing ya. Yeah. Take care. All right. Have a safe one. Yeah. Safe travels. Great to meet you. Yeah. Have fun. We'll see you in Belgium. Yeah, we have a roof rack popping off. Ben's running up to go see what's up. You guys got it okay?
I think so.
Man, that sucker almost popped right off, Mason.
I did not even notice. I was like, oh, he's flashing. Maybe he's like trying to set up for a shot.
Yeah, I know. All kinds of situations going on. You never know what's going to happen on the trail. I've had tons of stuff pop off. Today we almost lost a roof rack. I'm on a pretty solid incline here. Everyone else behind me. So I gotta hold the brake in. Sounds like ratchet straps and zip ties. I thought it was your roof rack that came off. Oh no. No, she's stout. She's sturdy. Yeah. Jade's roof rack's pretty stout, but she's gone through a lot. Doing good, just almost losing roof racks. I'm watching it in front of me and all of a sudden it starts sliding off the whole side of his Jeep and I'm like flashing my lights like, hey, stop. You're gonna lose your roof rack. Alright, we're good? Alright. Nice. Alright, we're moving. I was sending this acclivity right here, and the rear drive shaft straps came right off the U-joint.
That broke right around here. You need to find that.
Wow. Yeah. Well, it's one thing after another today. Looks like I'm going back down there.
Yeah, so much for that strap too.
This strap was on the U-joint on the rear drive shaft. I just have done work to the front U-joint strap. This is the rear one. First things first, I'm going to remove that rear drive shaft. And I'm just going to front wheel drive Jade and back up down this trail. So just had done work to the front drive shaft and now the rear drive shaft needs work. What did I break on Jade today?
You know what's nice about it? You're cheap as high. If it wasn't, it'd be sucky.
Oh yeah, that's why I like working on Jeeps. Yeah. I haven't worked on a car in forever. I'm sure. There we go.
There's got a Vermont cover on it.
Oh, I don't know.
Drive shaft is removed. Some of us are gonna head back to camp, me being one of them, and the rest are gonna do the trail. So we'll see you guys back at camp, and then whoever wants to come back now, I'll be going about 30 miles an hour, and I'll be on my way. All right, cool. All right, enjoy. See you later.
I mean, I don't know if I'll see you again.
Oh, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. It's Jake, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's nice to meet you, man. We got one guy in front with the tow strap just in case I get hung up. And then we got Frank in back. So far she's doing really well in the back roads. Got up to about 40, no problems at all. No vibrations, nothing like that. I'm just gonna try to keep my momentum up. I'm definitely starting to spin here. You just have no power, you know? I've only had to use this technique one other time, and I couldn't make it up any hills. We had to tow me up them. So this might be the same case here. Hopefully not. We'll see. Hey, we made her! Ben's getting the fire going here. Jim and Frank are making lunch, or actually now it's early dinner.
Yeah, we gotta have some homemade chili.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I think I am gonna cook some food as well. I ain't gonna worry about the drive shaft right now. Get camp set up and hang out with everybody. Alex, this is what, your second jamboree?
Yeah.
That's cool. You got the fire going this morning all by himself. Just using the coals from last night. Good work, bud.
The log was still on fire, so I used that.
There you go.
To get this guy on fire.
Good morning, Anders. She loves her belly rubbed. Oh, yeah. A lot of people are heading out, these guys from Canada, but really happy they could make it. Come across the border all the way for the Jade Jamboree, so.
Yeah,
awesome
we're really
guys.
happy to be there, man.
Yeah, it was great meeting you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, take care and safe travels back. Wrapping up the Jade Jamboree here. We have a game plan about fixing the drive shaft situation. We're gonna be heading back to Jason's to use his YJ. Cannibalize some parts off of it that we broke on Jade. Safe travels, man. Thanks again for everything. We are at Jason's. We're gonna start tearing into his YJ, pulling the parts we need for Jade. But I just want to thank all of you guys who came out and showed so much support to not only us, but your community, raising so much food. And a big shout out to Matt. He brought all the food to the local food pantry in Springfield, Vermont. Really appreciate it, Matt. Thanks. I just want to end this video with some more thank yous to new Patreon pledges helping to support this journey, making this whole thing possible. Samuel Lee Cowger, John Farkas, and Joe and Savannah Davey. Really appreciate you guys helping us out, keeping us on the road. Means a lot. You got her. Oh. Yeah, three-wheeling just like Jade. There you go. Nice.